Let's create a simple makeup look using only 5 products. I've done my skin prep, so let's proceed with my skin tint. The Sola Foundation Primer in Sun Beige. Apply the skin tint and blend with the sponge. Our second product is blush, which we can also use as eyeshadow. This is the Bare and Bliss Moist Mochi Blush in Fig Delight. Apply to your cheeks and eyes. Our third product is a lip tint. This is from Roman in Mild Peach. Apply to your lips. Our fourth product is an eyebrow pencil from Maange. This is in B201. Draw hair-like strokes. This writes smoothly on my skin. I'm surprised of how this turned out well. Draw the other side too. And our fifth and last product is from Eliza. This is glue-free lashes in the style Twilight. First, curl your lashes. This is a pretty wispy cat eye style. I start from the inner corner of the eye, going to outer. Attach under your upper eyelash. Attach the lash at the root of your natural lashes, not on your waterline. Pinch the glue so the false lashes is secured to your natural lashes. This is with and without. Isn't it a pretty style? Attach the other side too. And this is our simple makeup look using only 5 products.